हूँ because you all are good batsmen ना. So if you can't, if the ball hits your leg, you will be given leg before, because why did it hit your leg? चलिए, multiplication. So are you fine with now addition and subtraction? Okay, multiplication. Multiplication is like love marriage. अब यहाँ वो सब नहीं होगा कि रिश्तेदारी बराबर वालों में होती है, किसी का भी किसी के साथ भी रिश्तेदारी हो जाएगा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में टेंशन नहीं है. You will get a product, but you have to take care of certain laws, and the laws are the laws that is the laws of exponent. Now when we do multiplication, the first type of multiplication we will see, this part is missing actually in the new R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal, but in the old one it is there. So I'll give you an exercise from there also. We'll first try to multiply monomial with a monomial. A monomial with a monomial. You know what is a monomial? Monomial is a single term entity, right? So let us do a monomial into monomial. Example 1. I'm asking you to multiply 5 into 4. Hey sir, what are you doing? These are not algebraic expression. Yes, 5x to the power 0 plus into 4x to the power 0. So this is also a monomial into monomial. How much do you get? 20. 5x multiplied by 4. 20x. Right? 5x multiplied by 4x. 20. X into x is x to the power 1 plus 1. This becomes x square. 5x multiplied by 4y. Now, if this was addition, here you have that problem. Marriage cannot happen between unequals. But this is love marriage. You can run away and do the marriage also. So this is 20xy. Clear? Then 5x square into 4xy. So what happens? 5 into 4 makes it 20. X square and x makes it x cube. And the y will also come. समझ में आ रहा है? Then 5 x square yz multiplied by 4 abc. So it will be what? 20 x square yz abc. And if there are minuses involved, please handle the minus as per the minus products plus products. What I want to say is that, all right, colon. I am coloning it, and after coloning, if you see that it was minus 5, say minus 5, then it becomes minus 20. If it was a minus 5, it minus. If say both were minus, then this becomes plus. If this was plus and this was minus, still minus. If this is minus and this is minus, then this is plus. If this is plus and this is minus, this is minus. See, same thing you have to write twice, but I have the advantage of cloning up the expressions and doing it in one go. God has been very kind with me, you know. Understood? Oh. Hello? Basement? Basement. Okay. Right, done. Today, after the class ends, you will not be able to, I think, go by the podium because it's raining. So preferably take the basements, and you know how to walk safely. As Rohan, Arthi is also coming. Huh? Snake will do nothing to you. After looking at you, it will go away. Snake also has the fear of its life. Snake will do nothing to you. Snake, after looking at you, snake will go away. Snake also has fear, na? Right? Don't think that you all are the most innocent breeds in the world and everyone will kill you. Not at all. You are Gen Z. Snake will run away. Okay? समझ में आ गया? Monomial into monomial is clear. So you will get an exercise of monomial into monomial, photographed exercise, which I will send you. Right? Next we will do monomial into binomial. From here, the important thing starts. Monomial multiplied by a binomial. Achha, you can write, sir, why didn't you write binomial multiplied by mono? No, it's better. Multiplication is commutative, but mono into binomial makes more sense. So let's see. Let's take a monomial, our favorite 5x, and now this will multiply a binomial 3x plus 2. So far we had what? Marriage, love marriage, arranged marriage. Now we are having kabaddi. Now we'll have kabaddi. And this fellow has to go and basically rate this particular bracket. Kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi like. So first he will rate this bracket. He will first encounter 3x. So tell me 5x multiplied by 3x should be 15x square. Then whatever is the Dharma Sankat that comes down. Minus to minus, plus to plus. Now 5x will multiply with 2. And it's a plus 2. So it becomes 10x. But suppose we had a problem. Suppose we had a problem where it is 2x square y multiplying with negative 3x, negative 4xy. Right? So again, kabaddi, kabaddi. First, he will rate the bracket. 2 multiplies with minus 3 gives you a negative 6. X square with an x gives you an x cube. And y stands beside. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. X cube y square. हाँ, टेस्ट में 0 ले आओ, क्लास में फुल अटेंशन रहता है. प्रैक्टिस तो अब इसको फीलिंग आ गया. He told right steps, na? Now his collar must be up. He will not study at home. Which one you didn't understand, Bidu? 5x goes, it's same. This is a monomial into a monomial. There are two monomials here, 3x and 2x. What is a binomial? Combination of two monomials. So 5x plus multiplies with 3x. Should I do, okay, I mean increasing one more step. It is like this, 5x will first multiply with 3x. 5x multiplies with 3x. Whatever is the sign that comes, then 5x will again multiply with 2. This is like your monomial into monomial. 5x into 3x is 15x square. The plus remains there. 5x into. Okay. Very good. Yes, this is shown to same age group people. I am 3 times more age than you. So this is not shown in, plus I am your teacher. What are etiquette? Etiquettes are things that either my mom taught me at childhood, or my mom didn't teach me at childhood, or I forgot over time. Never do this to your teacher. Do that to your friend. Do that to your colleague. One Air Force officer can do this to the other. You don't do this to a senior person. More so when the senior person is your teacher. That too, he's senior by, you're 13. Multiply your age by 3 times, 39. Add another 10 years is my age. ठीक है? कहते हैं ना, etiquette क्या होता है? You know everything. Etiquettes and manners. Etiquettes and manners are things which either my mom didn't teach me or I forgot over time. It's a very, very sharp statement. ये आपके घर के ऊपर भी खिल्ली उड़ा रहा है और आपके ऊपर भी. आप समझो इस स्टेटमेंट को. One way I have told you that, didn't you learn anything at home? I can tell like this, but I didn't use that word. What word did I use? Manners are things that either my mom didn't teach me or I forgot over time. अगर माँ ने सिखाया भी होगा तो भी आप भूल गए. इसी को आप गंदे तरीके से बोलो, क्या रे, तेरी मम्मी ने तेरे को नहीं सिखाया क्या? That is harsh. But I actually want to mean the same harsh thing in a polite manner. Manners are things that your mom didn't teach you, or might be you have forgotten over time. Or they must have faded from your memory. We never spoke in English with our friends. We used to say, hey, kya kar rahe? But give it a chance to speak in English with you guys. In 15 minutes or another 10 minutes, we will derail you. Why is this happening? Because you don't have choice of words. You don't read, you don't listen. You only do, hey, yo, bro, yo, crow. Okay. Mono into bino. A little bit more. 2 by 3 x square y is being multiplied with 9x plus say 27y. Now this is pretty interesting. So what will be our steps? If you think that you cannot do it in one go, please do baby steps. There is no issue. 2x square y by 3 multiplies with 9x plus 2x square y by 3 multiplies with 27y. Now we will do what in our language we used to call katakati. You all call it tic-tac-toe. So 3 times is 9. See how neatly you should do this. Some of you do in such a manner, पता नहीं दुश्मनी निकाल रहे थे ये ऐसे करके, प्यार से करो ना. And 3, 9 times is 27. Understood? If you don't know the multiplication table, I can't help you, children. Then you're doomed. You have to go to the Hades. So 2 into 3 is 6x cubed y, and this makes it 18 x square y square. Yeah. Australians never say 18, they say 18. Way outside the off stump. Why outside the off stump? Over the fence for 4. Over the fence for 4. और वही Americans जब बात करेगा नाक से करेगा. United States of America strongly condemns Taliban as a force of terrorism. Times come the American stands united fight against it. और ऐसे ना और British लोग बोलेंगे you just not the way you run. You run 22 yards, just score a run. प्यार से बोलते हैं. ठीक है ऐसे. हम तो इंग्लिश से नहीं आता है. Cutting, you do the cutting here, and cutting you get a 3, and cutting you get 9. But make sure you do the right cutting. Otherwise, your sir will be marks cutting. So have you understood how to do mono into bino? Now one thing, just check. We first did mono. If you see this step, see this is a very gradual chapter. This step is a mono multiplied with a bino. But if you see this step, this is a mono into a mono. Agreed? Now see the beauty when we do bino. Bino will first come down to mono into bino, then mono into mono, and then finally the answers. ठीक है? एक bino एग्जांपल देखते हैं. आइए. Binomial multiplied by binomial. Let's take a very easy one. 2x plus 4y multiplies with 3x plus 8z. This is what? This is bino. Now we will do baby steps. Baby steps. So first 2x will come out. Kabaddi. And he will rate the bracket 3x plus 8z. Then whatever is this sign plus. Now 4y will come out. When 2x went there, 4y बोल रहा था यार मेरे को भी जाना है, मेरे को रुको जरा, you सबर करो, you will also get your chance. So now 4y has gone and he will rate the bracket. Now see children, see the fun part here. In the previous problems, didn't you do problems of this type? Mono into bino. So from here I should not teach you, because from here you know how to do it. This is a mono into bino. So we do. Now 2x will rate the bracket. 2x into 3x plus 2x into 8z plus 4y into 3x plus 4y into 8z. 2x 3x is 6x square plus 16xz plus 12 xy plus 32 yz. After that, do check whether there are any similar terms. xz is Malhotra, xy is Saxena, yz is Kapoor, and x is Subramaniam. There is no same word. All are different. They don't get married. Because the last step is again a marriage step. कैसे ऐड होगा? मारूंगा पकड़ के. कैसे ऐड होगा? यहाँ में लाइक दिख रहा है तेरे को? वो फालतू बोल रहा ही नहीं, इसलिए तो फालतू लिखता है. ठीक है, आज का ये क्लास हम यहाँ समाप्त करेंगे. बट हाउ विल यू ऑल गो? आई एम जस्ट